Hey everybody, Ryan here. Just wanted to show you a little craziness that's going on here. So my kids decided to get into the paint and do their painting downstairs on the family room table and on my carpet. Good times. Anyway, let's show you what's going on here. So this is our family room, and here's the paint mess. So yeah, there's our table. They kind of wrecked it, and oh man, just paint, lines of paint all over, all down there, one around here, and well, the table's shot. I'm gonna have to sand and repaint this thing, but anyway, this stuff doesn't always come out so easily, acrylic paint. So, I mean, as you know, some of you I've cleaned for you, and you know, you might have had painters there who had dripped some paint on your carpet, and sometimes it just doesn't come out. You know, like I couldn't get it out due to the spreading. Like if you start, you know, cleaning these, once you put the solution on, it could spread and become worse. I am, although, a little bit hopeful here because, well, when I clean my carpets, I use a very strong protectant, like a stain guard. So I'm hoping that is going to save this carpet. So we're going to do a little video follow-up here shortly. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you think I can get it out or not. We'll do a little poll. All right, bye.